Facebook has been on quite the run the past 5 days. Do you like being a contrarian? We've got the trade for you. Stay tuned. Hi everybody, welcome back to Option Theory. My name is Neil and it is May 22nd, 2020, and it's time for our final cherry bomb trade of the week. On screen here, you'll see that we have the 1-year chart for Facebook pulled up, and we can kind of zoom in here. Let's go back to when the market took a dip in March, the end of February. We can see here that it has shrugged that coronavirus right off, and in the past 5 days has had a relatively meteoric rise rather than fall. So a skyrocket up, and even though we had a down day yesterday, it had gapped up and finished higher than the day before. So I'll still call that a gain, if you would. So, of course, cherry bomb trades come from tastytrade.com. And in case you're new to the channel, I put the link in the description down below. If you want to, you can head on over, sign up with Tasty Trade's email blast. I don't get anything from them. I just think that you'd benefit getting those emails. They will come to you before these videos are released every day. I record these early in the morning and then schedule them for the market open here on Eastern Standard Time. So, today's cherry bomb trade, of course, will be contrarian, which is very much like the Tasty Trade way. So if something's been going up, we'll call that strength. We sell into strength, right? So this system here is going to have us put on a short call vertical. So right about here is where we're going to be drawing a line saying we don't think Facebook over the next 36-ish days will be going above this number. If it does, of course, we'll feel a little pain, but all it has to do is stay below there and we will profit. So let's build out a trade like that, shall we? Let's head over to the Analyze tab, add Simulated Trade, and it's 35 days, sorry. So we're going to be in the June weeklies here with 35 days to expiration. We're going to be selling a call spread, so we're ignoring the puts. On the left-hand side, we'll find our calls. And we're looking at a 240, 242.5. So a $250 wide, or $2.50 wide, I'm sorry, vertical spread. So right here, I'm going to right-click on this call for the 240 strike. I'm going to choose Analyze Sell, bring it over here to vertical, and drag this guy up so you can see the trade down here. It's already exactly what we want. I have one contract, yours may be different, adjust as you feel is needed for you. This 95-cent credit seems like it's pre-market width. I don't think we're going to be getting that much, but maybe we will. We'll leave it at that and see what happens when the market opens. Maybe we'll need to cancel and replace at the at a number that is 1/3 the width. So we're looking to get 1/3 the width of the strikes, right? So just bringing up a quick calculator here for you so you can see what we're talking about here, right? So if we have a width of $2.50, right? $2.50, and we want to divide that by 3, okay? That's what we're looking to collect, 1/3 the width. So 95 cents is a little more, so we might be being a little greedy here. This is where we may have to adjust down to, and we'd still be okay with that. All right, I always like to take a look at the risk profile for this and get our slices right here. So set this expiration here. We said it was June weeklies, and it tells you here June 26th. So set that to June 26th. Now our gray area from here to here indicates 1 standard deviation. And let's head over to set slices to break even at expiration. And we can see we're looking at a roughly 67-ish% probability of being to the left of this line here, which is our break even line. All right. And for those of you that subscribe to the Cherry Bomb email, you'll get a statistic that's unique to Tasty Trade, what they call the P50. It'll let you know the probability of making your 50% of the credit that we're receiving here. So 50% of this is typically when we would exit the trade, which is very different. I know Tasty Trade's mechanics are different than what you often hear, but that's okay. That's why we are doing this in a simulated trading account, so we can see if this system works for us. So let's review our max loss and our max profit. I'm going to right click down here, choose confirm and send, and you'll see here that we have a max profit of $95, the max loss of $155. And if you're okay with that, like I am, I'm going to hit send. That's going to put that over here in my monitor tab in the working orders, and we'll pay attention to that at the market open. So I thank you so much for joining me for this final Cherry Bomb trade of the week. If you're new to this channel, thank you for stopping by. And if you're interested in doing more of these, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you liked it, and put a ring on it by hitting that bell. I'd really appreciate it, your support. It lets me know the kind of things you'd like to see more of. So I will see you next week. Happy trading, everybody.